For those of you who understand what this is, it's extremely powerful. Some of you may not understand, and it's just a bunch of lines on a chart, and that's okay. Okay, but for those of you who know something about Elliott wave analysis and know what I'm showing, this is extremely powerful. You can make a lot of money if this plays out, if you're able to use this as a guide. Okay, this plays out, you pretty much have the map right here drawn out for you. Okay, so let's pull the fibs on this A wave from the top of the A wave, right, which is here, to the bottom, which is about there. Do you see how the second leg of the B wave comes between the 1236 and the 1618? This is why I'm saying, although the minimum retracement of a B wave flat correction is the 786, right? And the 786 right now in Bitcoin on larger time frames is represented by the 44,000 level, right? That's why I'm seriously entertaining Bitcoin flirting with the 1236 to 1618 region, which would make it an expanded flat correction, right? That's why I'm saying 51.5, which is right now the 1618 on the larger time frame, may be a realistic target, or somewhere near there between 49 and 50, 51, a realistic target for Bitcoin in this move. We may see a $50,000 Bitcoin in the coming days because we're in impulsive price action. And what do you know about impulsive price action? Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is February 21st, 2022, and Bitcoin is looking like it's reversing course. As we said on the show yesterday, 38K was likely support, and it was likely the point of reversal for our trend to the downside, okay? Because we had been in a downtrend for a few days, right? In this A wave, we had an impulse to the downside, but we had crucial support right here. We had 5 waves that we counted in the impulse, crucial support, 5 waves, and then showing signs of a reversal pattern mean reversal. So the reversal is in, and we are in the impulsive stage of the reversal to the upside. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain why I believe Bitcoin is going to go to a minimum of $44,000 to a maximum of $51,000. If that interests you, watch until the very end. Also, remember to like the video, share the video with others who you think would also benefit from sound technical analysis based in Elliott wave theory, and subscribe to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, we'd love to have you, and let's get into it. All right, we're on the 4-hour leaf chart. Just like I said, this larger reversal pattern that we've been talking about on this channel for more than a month, because this is one of my main patterns that I trade, a reversal pattern. It is constituted of 3 flat corrections. We have 3 flat corrections that make up what I call the reversal pattern, okay? You have an A wave, which is an initial break of structure. You have a B wave, which is counter to that A wave. And then you have a C section. I don't call it a C wave because that's confusing, because those of us that study Elliott wave theory know that a C wave is fully impulsive. It's 5 waves to the upside. But this C section has a pivot, an A, B wave, and then the C wave of that pivot forms the first wave of our larger impulse. That's why I call it a C section. Okay. We are still seeing that on the large time frame. It's playing out, and it has been playing out for quite some time. The challenge has been for us to really suss out sorry, my pen is going a little bit crazy. The B wave. What is the B wave going to look like? Okay. Is the B wave going to be a flat correction? What kind of flat correction is it going to look like? This is what we've been trying to discover or figure out, right? So far, here's what I've got. I've got this as the first wave of our B wave. Remember, all corrective waves, according to Elliott wave theory, are comprised of three movements: an A, a B, and a C. Okay? So just like we had in our initial breakup structure, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, so we will have an A wave here, a B wave up here, right? Actually, this B wave is comprised of three too, because 1, 2, 3, right? That's what it is. And then a fully impulsive C wave to the downside. Don't forget about that. Just because the title of this video is Bitcoin to between 44K and 51K, it doesn't mean we continue to go up, right? Nothing goes up in a straight line. And this is why we study these patterns. This is why we try to harness the sort of insights given to us by Elliott wave theory, because it gives us a map to price action on a larger time frame and a medium time frame and the smaller time frame. Okay, so we do still anticipate Bitcoin to revisit the lows. Okay, and as I've said before in previous episode, once you break right here between 38 and 36K, there's pretty much no support basically until 30 to 31K. Okay, and historically, back in January of 2021, in the summer of 2021, we found support between 30 and 31K. Expect for us to revisit 30 to 31K, and we may go as low as the 1618, which is at the 28K level. All right, not to scare anybody, but we will revisit the lows. That is, if this pattern plays out, and it's been playing out, we will revisit the lows. Not just yet, though. At this point in time, we're making a higher high, okay? And we're in the uptrend of the B wave. So the B wave is comprised of three waves. The first wave is down. The second wave is going to be up before finding our last wave down, okay? So actually, this 5-wave sequence, I expect us to make a pivot before going down, okay? And I'll show you this on a smaller time frame. And one of the cool things about price action is sometimes it gives you clues as to what's going to happen, because it's fractal, it's time frame agnostic. It gives you a clue as to what's going to happen on a small time frame, and you can extrapolate that on a large time frame. Let's look at that right now. All right, so we're on the 4 hourly time frame. Let's jump into the 15-minute time frame. And again, if you're getting value from this type of analysis, if you've gotten value from these videos and you've seen that it's not me, it's Elliott wave theory, that's amazing. But obviously it's my interpretation, it's my application, right? Over thousands and thousands of hours of study and application and training. Then like the video, share with others who you also think may benefit from this type of analysis, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All right, this is our reversal pattern, okay? And I showed you this on a larger time frame. I'm going to jump down in the smaller time frames and show you the same exact thing. As I said, it's time frame agnostic, and it's playing out, right? I want the Elliott wave correction. So here, what do I see? I see an A wave, I see a B wave, and I see a C wave. I'm going to put this in, let's leave it in pink, okay? So that's my A wave, right? Small time frame. What happens after that? What did we just get, right, in Bitcoin? We got an impulsive move to the downside, testing the previous support of the A wave, right? And that previous support on the larger time frame was 38K. Okay, can you see what I'm showing you here? Can your mind put the pieces together? I'm basically showing you on a small time frame exactly what we're doing on a larger time frame, right? Like, I hope you guys are seeing this. Now, let's put in our B wave, right? So our B wave, first leg down to the first support of the A wave, okay? And then the second leg of the B wave, which we're currently beginning, comes all the way up here, okay, to the 1618, almost the 1618, between the 1236 and the 1618 of the A wave. Okay, let's make this a different color, not to confuse anybody. For those of you who understand what this is, it's extremely powerful. Some of you may not understand, and it's just a bunch of lines on a chart, and that's okay. Okay, but for those of you who know something about Elliott wave analysis and know what I'm showing, this is extremely powerful. You can make a lot of money if this plays out, if you're able to use this as a guide. Okay, this plays out, you pretty much have the map right here drawn out for you. Okay, so let's pull the fibs on this A wave from the top of the A wave, right, which is here, to the bottom, which is about there. Do you see how the second leg of the B wave comes between the 1236 and the 1618? This is why I'm saying, although the minimum retracement of a B wave flat correction is the 786, right? And the 786 right now in Bitcoin on larger time frames represented by the 44,000 level, right? That's why I'm seriously entertaining Bitcoin flirting with the 1236 to 1618 region, which would make it an expanded flat correction, right? That's why I'm saying 51.5, which is right now the 1618 on the larger time frame, may be a realistic target, or somewhere near there between 49 and 50, 51, a realistic target for Bitcoin in this move. We may see a $50,000 Bitcoin in the coming days because we're in impulsive price action. And what do you know about impulsive price action? It moves impulsively. It moves quickly, okay? So we may see this sooner than later. However, what do we see from this reversal pattern? Be very careful. Right after that move up, we get the last leg of the B wave, right? Because this B wave is counter to the A wave. If the A wave was trending towards the top, the B wave is going to be opposite. And you see, we did form a lower low in this B wave, right? This was the low of the A wave. Let's say this is the 33K level of Bitcoin in a larger time frame. This lower low would be basically sub 30, okay? Let's take, once again, the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of A for this time to the top of A, and we see that we actually went all the way to the 1618, right? Here, this B wave extended to the maximum extension to the downside, which would mean, this would be the equivalent of my saying, we're going to get, after we get a $50,000 Bitcoin, we're going to get a $28,000 Bitcoin. That's extreme volatility, my friends. That is why, in this day and age, if you want to trade Bitcoin and you're doing so blindly, be very, very careful. Try to learn these skills in technical analysis. It is a science. There is a science to it, but the trading of the science is an art, right? Trading writ large, right? Using the knowledge, the mathematical knowledge, the probabilistic knowledge of where price can go. It's a science. But then the art of applying it, using it to make money, doing risk management, all that stuff, that is an art. All right. And that's up to you. Interpreting the science, that is an art. All right. So that's the B wave. And right now, what we're seeing in this reversal, small time frame, is what I believe we will see once we hit the lows, right, in this B wave, a large time frame. Let's say we do go to 30K or 28K, then we go up all the way to the top, which may be 52K, because I believe large time frame, we are in a two-wave correction, and a two-wave correction can only retrace to the 618, right? And the 618 of the downtrend right now is sitting at $52,000. So I think that larger time frame, Bitcoin is going to go to 52K or test those range highs. That's what I'm seeing. If you're getting value from this analysis, right or wrong, like the video, this is something I'm not keeping to myself, right? I'm a professional trader. I make money trading, pay my mortgage, pay my groceries and all that stuff. I have these insights sometimes. I look at the charts a lot, okay? And I trade these, and I trade them profitably. And I don't care to share them because, like I said, I mean, it's not going to take any money out of my pocket. I have a few followers here and there, yeah. I don't have millions of followers, so it's not affecting my trading. One, two, even if I did have millions of followers, it's one thing to know where the price will go. It's another thing to know how to apply the knowledge of that price action, right? With risk management, as I said, and proper trading habits. So this is what I'm seeing on the charts. I'm seeing us go to between, once again, 44,000 to 51,000 US dollars. Then I am seeing us come right back down. After a pivot, obviously, I'm seeing us come right back down to the range lows, meaning 33, 30K, 28K max, okay? Because the 1618 dictates the range lows, the lowest possible. If this analysis is correct, pulling the Fibonacci retracement from the A wave would give 28K as the 1618, which is a maximum retracement of the B wave, okay? So that's what I'm seeing on the charts. It is consistent with what you're seeing in other assets. If you go to Ethereum, you also see a reversal pattern on the smaller time frames. TradingView's a bit slow right now. Let's see. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. And we also see a reversal pattern playing out, right? Beautiful reversal pattern here where you have your A wave, you have your pivot B wave, and then you have your fully impulsive C wave. Okay, that's going to go, it's a 5-wave impulse. You expect 5 waves up. Same in Litecoin, right? You can see this across the board. Let's see, where's Litecoin? Here we go. Same in Litecoin. A wave, pivot, B wave, you know, and then we got our small pivot down here, and then, you know, I expect 5 waves up, right? So this is what I'm seeing on the charts. This is what I think will transpire in the coming days. Once again, if you got value from this analysis, like the video, share with others who you think may also get value from it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'd love to have you. And